Introducing the iRobot Roomba 694 robot vacuum. The robot Roomba is a sleek, premium robot vacuum that complements your home decor. Clean your floors effortlessly with Wi-Fi connectivity and receive personalized cleaning recommendations via the iRobot Home app. And work seamlessly with Alexa, making it easy to control your cleaning schedule with your voice. Perfect for carpets and hard floors thanks to its auto-adjust cleaning head. Navigate under and around furniture with advanced sensors and adaptive navigation technology. Won't fall downstairs and focuses on the dirtier areas with Dirt Detect technology. Enjoy daily clean floors with smart sensors that adjust to your unique home environment. With multi-surface brushes, it grabs everything from small dust to large debris. Automatically recharges after 90 minutes of cleaning, ensuring it's always ready for the next task. Rated 4.2 stars. Order today. Find the link in the video description below.